Hi everybody.
Hello,
Everybody.
say something.
Say something guys.
Introduce yourself.
Where are we? What's your name?
I'm Afifah. Now we're at Sungai Pisang Point. Banana River Point.
Sungai Pisang Waterfall.
Yeah.
So now kita lagi hiking with the team.
So
We are waiting for the whole team and then we go up. I don't know where's our team to be honest. Don't know who's the leader, but man, I'm so excited for today because this has been my ambition for 6 years before.
6 years.
6 years. 6 years ambition to come in here. We manage. We pull through. Are you guys excited for today?
Excited.
Look around me guys. So many people here. Look around me. Wah, kat sana lagi. Ramai babe. So excited. Macam mana kah? Oh ramai babe. Aku ingatkan pagi tak ramai. Ramai juga. Ramai juga babe. Okay lah, jom kita pergi. Tadi kamera aku jatuh pecah. Bye. First experience.
So the crack is from
Guys, say hi kat my camera.
Hello.
Bye everybody. Oh, stretching. Bye. Bye korang.
Okay.
Dan breakfast. Ni adalah tim girls peak catcher kita. Korang say hi. Hi everyone. Good morning. Ini dia. Mana kat admin kita guys? Sama. Gerak lu nanti dia kejar. Gitu babe. Ya Allah takut aku. Tengok yang lain semua dah ada. Tadi ramai semua dah bergerak guys. Dengan ada satu group kat sana. And our group I don't know where. Is it this? Oh no, bukan. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Where are we going now?
We are waiting for our leader to go inside Sungai Pisang.
And we are waiting for the rest. Let's wait for the rest. We are.
Lagi 6 orang ke?
Lagi 6 orang. Okay.
Masuk dah.
Nama saya Eka. Ini Nana. Sebelum kita nak start, nak ambil attendance dulu lah. Sebelum berakhir. Kak Syafa. Inor Ain. Kakak saya. Saya Shaika.
Saya.
Nadwa. Salam menyuruh alaihi Sulaiman dan alamin. Salam menyuruh alaihi Sulaiman dan alamin. Salam menyuruh Adana membayangkan fakta wa mufalkihin fakta al-syamil.
Sorry. Oh, okay. No problem. Let's go. Then, is that all your water?
No, I.
Oh, okay. I thought we have like spot check. Good try. Some place they gonna check our bag tau. Like some place they gonna check our bag. Kalau macam ada tempat yang you hiking, ada permit, whatever, dia akan check dalam bag you ada bawa apa. So bila balik you have to make sure you bawa balik lah. Ada sampah-sampah, dia akan kira. Tapi itu dah hak komnya lah. We have to walk us through that area. Interesting. Belum lagi. Nanti you share tau airdrop. Oh, you sudah charging. Baik. Shaika.
Hai, siapa?
Hai, Shaika.
Shaika.
Yeah. Oh my god, berapa berat ni? Takut.
2 je.
5. Bye-bye.
Berapa kilo?
Salat. Wow, mantap. Wow, okay. You jadi sweeper kita. Okay. Kita orang slow tau. Minta maaf tau. Kita very chill je. Kita slow. Betul-betul slow. Tak larangan. Ni tempat air Selangor. So, kita have to go down here and cross the road. There's gonna be like alley there. Baru kita akan start masuk dekat dalam hutan. So, yeah. Tak lari relax je. Tapi bawah tu careful sikit lah. A bit slippery. Awesome. If not mistaken, today you guys also have in Perak, right? The water rafting. That's like, I supposed to join that. That I registered. I lupa gila. Lepas tu diorang kick me from the group. I'm like, okay, tak apa. Next month. Sabar situ. I don't remember. Yeah, that was now I remember.
Paid yet, right?
Huh?
Haven't paid yet, right?
Belum. What is that sound? Dia buka air ke? Wow, bestnya. Licin. Oh, you have to cross river lah. This is pre-Sungai Ciling, babe. Sungai Ciling like this lah. Macam tu je. Dia tak betis like that. Paling-paling pun dekat pinggang. Itu pun kalau macam air naik lah. Memang dah ready nak basah-basah. Shampoo pun ada. Gila betul. Tak, I pakai. I think tapi basah juga. Kalau you nak buka stokin semua boleh. Ya. Sebab I tak kisah. I memang prepare basah. Pre-Sungai Ciling. This is very cool ya. You pakai kasut. I think you buka je. Because I buka. I don't mind. I memang dah prepare. Since kita memang pakai kasut. So we don't mind. So let's do that. Let's do that.
Okay, jalan dulu.
Okay, jom. Kasut. So I think you better open je. Tak apa. Jom. First Ain.
Jangan je weh. Jangan je. Try.
Bye-bye. Hi. Mini. Where's Ain? Where's Ain? Cannot see her. Mana dia? Wait, mana? Wait, where?
Bye-bye.
Wait, where? Oh, there. Oh my god, cannot see her. Oh, that is dangerous. Ain. Kat sini okay kot? Boleh tak? Dah, tu pasir je. Okay. Kanan. I got a little warning from my watch. Assalamualaikum. Dia tu. Oh. Tengok I rakam macam mana. Oops. Careful ni kaki. We're in the jungle, the mighty jungle. The lion sleeps night. Last. Kerja babe. Kita doa yang terbaik lah esok ya. If you need, put tambah air. Yes. Okay. Dah dapat dengan you ya. Because this is slippery. Boleh? Oh wow, sampah kunci aku. Woohoo. Look at that guys. Kita dah approaching the jalan. So we are gonna go to the terowong. Cik kasut aku ni licin kat batu. Depan je I think. Oh, that is terowong. Oh, you can see the terowong over there. Terowong. Yes, we are here. Oh, okay. Tu dia orang kat depan dah. We are approaching the terowong, the signature terowong. Yay, we are here. Look at that, guys. Wow. Gonna take picture a little bit for video. Guys, kita dah sampai dekat the signature, the terowong, the landmark. Look at that, guys. Belakang kita je. Yay. Kita dah sampai.
Reward.
Just a little bit more. Kita akan sampai pergi dekat dia punya waterfall. Let's see our team. Tepi. Sini, babe. Nampak yang ni ah? Okay, guys, sini.
You want to
Nak gambar. Sini je. Dengan terowong. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Nampak tak?
Terowong nampak. Alamak, can I do 0.5 kan? Again. 1, 2, 3.
Nampak tak?
Nampak terowong. But I think better kat sini kot. Okay. 1, 2. Okay tak? Yes, better.
Yay.
So much better. Jangan take gambar. Oh, basah juga kan? Oh, sejuk. Cool. Look at that.
Excuse, biar take picture. Thank you.
Jauh juga dia punya terowong. Wah, sejuknya kaki. So cool. Sedap. Ain. Oh, take picture.
Okay, kita atas.
Oh, okay.
The sunrise. Kita dengar orangnya. Punya ambil gambar.
Ya Allah. Jom. Korang jalan dulu. Gelap ke dalam? Oh, boleh lah. Nak buat video, kita buka. Hello. Afifah. Hi. Kamera. Ain. Kamera. Hi guys. So, kita ada dekat dalam menara terowong sekarang ni, passing through. We're literally in the middle of this. Tengok kat bawah. So I'm holding this with my hand. Okay, excuse me kalau kamera ni bergegar, but hello. So yeah, let's go front. Tengok kat depan pula.
Sekejap, kalau dia isi.
Ya Allah. Kenapa? Hei, kau jangan no. Aku tak boleh tau. Terlintang ni tak nak. Tiba panik kat situ, babe. Dalam? Okay. Boleh cross. Oh, kat sana dia ni lah. Power source takutlah pula.
Sos.
Power source tepi tu kan. Ada di situ dia takutlah pula. Amboi dalamnya. Okay, babe. Ya Allah. Sekejap. Oh, sabar. Oh, okay, thank you. Dalam betul. Amboi. Ya Allah. Yay. Dan jalan sikit je depan. Dia kena jalan sini. Ush.
Dia pegang yang belakang pun.
Pasir banyak gila.
Dukung dia. Apa ni? Langkah saya dia pula. Lambat tinggal.
Oops, tak buat video sikit. Kifa, we survived the terowong. Now we are going to go to the waterfall. Let's go. Cantik. Banyaknya batu. Sekejap. Ada sangat batu. Tak kaki air. Too much batu. Ain, sini Ain. Okay, kita cross jalan air kan? Okay, center. Cantik. Jam guys, jam kat depan. Okay, I need to charge. Well. Ya Allah. Terlipas. Sakit. Lagi. Guys, look. Wait. That's one. Ready to fast. Sana. Lagi. 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 Naman. Nado. I believe kita dah sampai dekat dia punya waterfall. I can see a lot of people there. Oh, wait. Yeah. Whoopsie. Kalau kau boleh nampak kat sana ramai gila orang. So kita akan have some dipping. Are you excited? Kita akan dip kat sana before kita balik. So much fallen tree guys. So careful. Wow. Kita dah sampai kat kawasan waterfall dia. Need to rest for a bit. Kita nak kena rehat sekejap. Punya heartbeat terlalu tinggi. So yeah. Kita ambil gambar dulu. Lepas tu kita naik atas. Baru kita makan dekat atas. Okay. Tengok depan. Oh tu lah dia. So kita pergi kat waterfall tu guys. Nak tengok waterfall. Sama hidup. Nana. Sini. Nana sini. Hai. Weh nanti kena cakap lagi. Dia try ranya. Betul. Saya dekat waterfall guys. Dah sampai akhirnya. Wah, look at that. Kita macam kita masuk air dulu. Okay, jom kita masuk air guys. Letak air ya. Letak barang. Kita dah sampai guys. Look. Okay. Jom kita nak pergi deep. Let's go guys. Guys, jom kita nak pergi deep. Rasa nervous. Ramai orang tengok. Tengok guys, kat depan. Mesti nak pergi kat sana. Nak tengok lagi dekat. Ya. Semua orang tengok dia weh. Mesti dia nervous nak turun. Tengok guys. Go. Dia baring kan.
Saya tadi.
Oh, that is fun. Kita nak try dipping. Jom. So, sebab tadi diorang dah turun, bolehlah masuk. Dia kuat gila weh. Dia punya air sangatlah kuat. Jom. Jomlah kita cuba kita cuba. Tak gerak kan? Dia buat pecu. We're inviting another one person to come in. So to join us. There's another one person coming down, guys. My God, air dah kuat gila. Kita dah. Ini abseiling daripada shot juga. Sejanya. Cepat. Naik masuk. Guys, jom. Sejuk babe. Kita nak masuk dekat depan tu, tapi dia macam terlalu kuat. Sure you nak bagi masuk? You masuk pegang kamera? Ya. Atau you masuk kat sini? Jom. Dekat jom. Betul lah. Sebab dia kepak pak. Okay. Oh, sejuknya. Oh my god! The current is so strong! Like crazy, guys. Like crazy. Hold on. Weh, kuat kan? Kuat gila. Dia punya current like so kuat. Tapi puas tu, lepas tu. Puas, lepas tu. Sakit weh kepala aku. Seram gila. Kat bawah tu waterfall dia. Suram. Okay. Sikit lagi, jom. Ooh, so nice. Biar. Ooh. Biar. Bentar. Oh. Mari lakukan. Teruskan perjalanan. Hai. 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 Okay. Boleh tu. I was so. Yeah. Okay. Sige. Ay, kau. roti. What is that? Kapita, is that mama? Wow. But I wish I did. Wait, ni.
Wah, yeah, nice.
Penyet already. And then yeah, corn toast. Babe, apa yang aku bawa dah? Babe, aku tanya. Buat corn toast. Roti. Tapi dah penyet, babe. This is what?
This is like
Show me what you bring. Oh, the cheesecake.
this one is like
Babe, vlog. What else? Huh? This one sebab I beli bundle. So like 7 quid for diving set. Hi. Make a vlog. I have chocolate. You want to? Why? It's like contra. I have kacang, gold barrel. Like I always think this, but sometimes I expect nak macam nak pisang. Rose is like what?
creamy strawberry.
Yes. I supposed to bring salt, but I lost it, so I have this. Apa tu ni? Himalayan. Yeah, this one lah salt. Himalayan salt. This one is really important kalau nak cram ke. I almost have one. Apa you bawa? Vlog. And then I also have. Nak coklat tak? Kapitan.
Oh.
Roses. I don't know what. Peanut. Yeah. That. Also I have.
Gula.
Yeah. And also I have. I never added. And also I have.
What else? I am fully
No, it's actually.
I don't have no idea the first time.
First time.
2 years back.
Oh, 4 months I'm some.
Oh, ABC or ABC?
No.
What is that?
It's called a carrot nut. But dulu sini
Oh, wow.
carrot
Apa?
like tempat sembayang lah. Tapi the one right now
The best.
on the top dia ada sip. So Kailah tahu kan? Pal kan? Tibet.
Yeah.
Actually,
I
first,
target ABC.
if I'm success for this one, with following year, I guys, sebelum tu I nak
Oh.
kena banyak.
Kena banyak naik
Tangga dia orang kata the track is very set.
taxi, no? Tangga dia never end.
What my survey,
I pro already agree.
bila dia dah mula
Slow sikit kan? Tapi kenapa?
This one is scary. I know, right? You ask macam what? Actually, nuts. Tapi macam why the...
tahu tak tu bila dia ada sausage bun dekat atas tu dia ada tabak. Dia macam
Yang mana? Everybody sambil makan-makan, guys. Yazang. Noh dekat sana tengah masak-masak. Say hi. Dari panas. Cooking some spaghetti. Yeah. And the rest tengah healing kat sana. Kita dekat sini. We're eating spaghetti. So good. Spicy. Tadi something happened. Akak dia tidak tahu Kita berjaya memberikan first aid. Kena buat macam first aid kita pergi mandi. Let's go pergi mandi, guys. Jom pergi mandi. Saya excited lagi mandi, guys. Jom. Makan dulu, habiskan. Hi korang. So, kita sekarang ada dekat Waterfall. Tapi another area. Kita orang lepak-lepak kat sini. Makan-makan. And then, we are dipping. You have to sit there. Nombor 3, 6. Kejap. Dah gambar ya. 1, 2, 3 angkat tangan. Ya, korang nak tunjuk kat korang. Sebelah kita orang ni, sebenarnya macam ada mini waterfall. Yang diorang semua main berlompat. Tengok ya. Tengok. Air kat sana macam boleh tahan dalam dia. So we wanted to go there. Dipping ni segan sikit lah. Tapi nak juga. Segan sikit lah. Tapi nak juga. Ya, bucket list babe. Bucket list. Tengok Diorang nak lompat lagi tu. Tengok. Hey, betul-betul lompat dia. What are they doing? From where? Ni boleh baring weh kat sini. Dah macam jadi katil tilam lah ni. Kepala kat sini, badan. Jom. Oh, itu sejuk. Ada orang nak lompat lagi. We are trying to see the lompat-lompat tu. Kat sana guys, Allah sejuk gila. Angin dia sangatlah sejuk guys. Aku macam nak baring, tengok dekat atas. See above me like that. Kes kat atas ni kau tengok video Sejuk babe. Try to adjust. Dia kena total immerse. Kejap lagi I baring babe, serious. I tengah bagi badan I selesa tu. Okay. Nak baring babe kejap lagi. I'm gonna go baring. But a bit malu lah depan lelaki. Tapi macam we gotta go baring like this. So yeah. Ya Allah. God. Stop. Nah, baring, let's go. Thank you so much. Okay, good job. Okay, your turn. Yeah. Oh my god. And then after some time, you will be comfortable tau because your body temperature dah align. And it's so cooling. Okay ke? Kita ada dekat highway guys. So we're going to pass through highway here. Then we're going to slop in masuk dekat terowong tu balik. It's a bit hot. Oh, look at that. Highway. Oh, it's not hot. It's not hot. We made it to the highway, guys. Lol. Huh? Aku ni jarang lah nak bersenam tau. Tapi tiba-tiba dekat tepi highway, highway genting. Tengok ni. Tak main-main babe. Cabar doa ibu. Okay, now we are going to go to a very interesting place. Which is kita akan masuk dekat terowong balik. Tapi laluan dia begini. Yes, let's go. I turun sini tau. Ha? Ada laluan? I turun sini. Ada, memang ada. Ada tepi ni. Tak boleh sakit lutut be. Sorry, I lalu sini. Lompat. Ya tinggi. Ya doh. Tapi licin sikit. Careful.
Cik Arus, dari atas.
Kita ni nak ya.
Ya, ada jalan sebenarnya. Pocong kau. Inilah function hiking stick you guys. Protect your knee sebenarnya. Kau perlu ke tak perlu beli je. Protect your knee. Very important ya. Tak nanti memang lutut kau sakit. Oh, okay. Boleh licin juga. So aku ni dah tak friendly batu-batu. Tak boleh betul. A little bit more. Oh, kat situ guys. Stairway to heaven. Oops. There's the jambatan Terowong. Look, we are at Terowong. Yay! Sampai. Ya Allah. Oh, pocok. Balik penat ke? Ow! This thing keep poking my face. Darling, lalu darling. Ah, atas. Wait. No, sini. Not here. We don't use this one just now. Jalan je. Hello. Tuh. Mulut saya dah masuk macam-macam ni. Daun semua masuk. Made it. Pom.
We made it.
Pom.
We made it. We made it.
Yeah.
We did it.
Babe, she went to Renjani. Tak payah tanya.
This is the real beginner, I think. Yeah.
Really
But
beginner lah.
Bukit Batu Putih, I don't think that's beginner. I think if we
That's
only
why.
go,
Batu Putih is not. I know it's hardcore.
No, it's actually beginner, but if you only go to, it's still okay if you only go to Puncak Batu Putih and then you go back.
Okay.
However, this group, they go to like 5 different places. So it
Sheesh.
takes like 5
The one yang bawa
hours.
you.
I was already like, I wanna go. 5 hours. Yeah. Even though like banyak berhenti, tapi still but it's also steep. So it's like turun naik
Oh
very
yo.
steep. Yeah.
My heart could never.
Yeah.
Sakit jantung kat situ kang.
Yeah. I think it's not beginner.
First experience with Pak Gembus. I never eat Pak Gembus before, but I'm so scared. Look at this. Look at the sambal is actually separated from the chicken. Aku macam dan then aku pergi dah tekan banyak gila kicap. Can you see that? And everybody like kita ambil stage mana? Kita ambil stage mana?
Biasa je.
Kita ambil yang biasa, sambal biasa. Ni level 1 ya? Level 1. Okay, bismillah kita try.
Ni level 2.
Level 2. Your
Level
one
1 is just bumbu
Oh, my one is level 1. But I don't know which one is level 1 or level 2.
Tak, level 1 is just bumbu kacang. Ni sambal biasa, bumbu kacang dengan sambal.
Oh yes. Okay, let's do that. I takut dah. Bye. Thank you.